Okay, let's find an equation of the tangent line to this graph at x equals -1. So when we take the derivative of this function, we get 3 over 2 times 1 plus x to the power 2/3 to the power 1 over 2, right? Times the derivative of the inside is 2/3 times x to the power minus 1/3. So when we put x equals -1, we get 3 over 2. So this term becomes 1 plus 1 to the power 1 over 2. And this is 2/3 times, so -1 to the power, the square cube root of -1 is -1. And this becomes -1. Okay, so we can cancel out these terms. So this is minus square root of 2. So this is the slope. And how do we find the equation for the tangent line? So we have to compute the y value corresponding to x equals -1. So when x is -1, y is 1 plus, so square of -1 is 1, 3 over 2. So this is 2 square root of 2. Okay, now we can write the equation for the tangent line, which is something like this. X minus -1 is x plus 1.